guess looking back to Barfall.
Still struggling.
Still doing it.
I'm getting there. It's tiring. Any drops coming out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'll just start with the seeds. And I think this just gets sprinkled on the top.
Yeah.
The lemon skin. Oh, there's another seed.
Is that the first one or the second one? Second half?
The second half. But I'm not done yet. I can keep going until I get as much out as I can.
Yeah, we just sit here and watch you.
It's kind of fun, actually. It feels really weird. I reckon half of it's on my bloody fingers.
Maybe you need a juicer.
How much is 15?
No, I thought it would be on the lemon. Because we just dropped it.
I think that will be enough anyway.
Okay, guys.
We're just doing this with my fingers and she's squeezing lemons.
Okay, that's all I can get out of that one. Let's try
Let's see
this
if we
one
can
again.
get anything out of the other one.
Oh, I'm telling you, I'm going to come back next week with bloody muscles. Okay. Alright.
What's that sticking?
Could I have... Oh, no.
I'm looking for my phone, guys. My back.
Alright. Are you going to make your own icing for the cupcakes or use this one? Okay. Okay, so... Rach, where does this stuff go? Where does this go? Just put it away.
In a couple.
The one underneath? Okay. You can come make this when you're ready.
I got up too far.
Dizzy.
Yeah. Okay, where do I put it?
You can probably put the mixer back up there, or put it on the desk if you can't reach up there, and then you can put it on the stove. And then reset the timer for 10 minutes for the brownies.
Okay, making the cupcakes out. For part 5.